Hello everyone, in this video tutorial we will guide you on how to change address on Nextdoor app. So let's dive right in. First, open the Nextdoor app on your smartphone and make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner to access your account settings. Now select Settings from the menu that appears. This is where you can manage all your account details. Look for and tap on Account to view your current address information. Here you'll see your current listed address. Tap on Move to a new address to make changes. Enter your new address in the field that appears. You can type it manually or let the app detect your location automatically. Once you've entered the correct address, tap Save to update your information. Changing your address may require verification. Nextdoor might send a confirmation code to your new address to prove you live there. That's it! Your address has now been updated, and there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.